The world's richest people know these 10 secrets, but almost nobody will ever tell you. Secret number 1, millionaires don't look rich. When most people imagine a millionaire, they picture luxury cars, designer clothes, and giant mansions. But that's rarely reality. Many millionaires drive ordinary cars, wear simple clothes, and live far below what they can afford. Because they understand something most people never do. Wealth isn't about looking rich, it's about becoming rich. The average person spends money to impress strangers. Millionaires spend money to buy freedom. They know every dollar spent on status is one less dollar invested in their future. The richest person in the room often isn't the one wearing the most expensive watch. It's usually the one nobody notices. Secret number 2, they buy assets before luxuries. The average person celebrates a raise by upgrading their lifestyle, a better phone, a nicer apartment, a newer car. Millionaires think differently. Before they reward themselves, they buy assets, businesses, stocks, real estate. Assets continue making money long after they're purchased. Luxury items do the opposite. They lose value the moment you own them. Millionaires let their investments pay for their lifestyle. Most people expect their salary to. Secret number 3, their greatest advantage isn't intelligence. People love believing millionaires are geniuses because it's comforting. If success requires extraordinary intelligence, then failure feels justified. But reality is much simpler. Most millionaires aren't the smartest people in the room. They're just consistent. They keep investing when markets fall. They keep learning when nobody's watching. They keep working after everyone else quits. Success rarely comes from one brilliant decision. It comes from thousands of ordinary decisions repeated for years. Secret number 4, they protect time more than money. Lose money, and you can earn it back. Lose time, and it's gone forever. Millionaires understand this better than almost anyone. That's why they delegate, automate, say no. They don't fill every hour with busy work. They focus on the few things that create the biggest results, because time is the only investment you can never replace. Secret number 5, they avoid lifestyle inflation. Most people earn more and immediately spend more. A bigger house, a more expensive car, more subscriptions, more monthly payments. It feels like progress, but it's often just a more expensive version of the same life. Millionaires increase their investments before increasing their lifestyle. Because wealth isn't created by income, it's created by keeping more of what you earn. Secret number 6, they think in probabilities. Average people wait until they're 100% certain. Millionaires know certainty doesn't exist. Every investment, every business, every opportunity comes with risk. Instead of asking, will this definitely work? They ask, is this worth the risk? They don't avoid failure. They make sure the reward is bigger than the downside. That's how long-term wealth is built. Secret number 7, they read more than they scroll. The average person spends hours consuming entertainment. Millionaires spend hours consuming information, books, business reports, biographies, financial news, new skills. Because knowledge compounds exactly like money. Every book changes how you think. Every skill increases your value. Entertainment disappears. Knowledge stays. Secret number 8, they understand that money is emotional. People believe they make logical financial decisions, but psychology says otherwise. Fear, greed, status, impulse. Most purchases happen emotionally, then the brain invents a logical reason afterward. Millionaires know this. That's why they rarely buy immediately. They wait, they compare, they think. Because emotions fade, good decisions don't. Secret number 9, they focus on ownership. Employees sell hours, owners build assets. Every millionaire eventually owns something. A business, stocks, rental properties, software, ideas. Ownership creates income that doesn't depend on your time. That's why the wealthy don't just work for money. They build things that keep working for them, even while they sleep. Secret number 10, they think in decades. Most people ask, how can I make money this month? Millionaires ask, where will this decision put me 10 years from now? They understand compounding, not just with money, with skills, relationships, reputation, health. Small decisions repeated for years create extraordinary results. Wealth isn't built overnight, it's built quietly, one decision at a time. The biggest secret about millionaires isn't that they earn more than everyone else. It's that they think differently long before they become wealthy. Because becoming rich isn't a single moment. It's a collection of decisions, made over and over again, while nobody is watching, and maybe that's the one truth almost nobody tells you.